In this video, I will be diagnosing an intermittent engine misfire. I had checked the codes earlier on this car, and the car came back with no codes. So I need to figure out what's wrong with this car without the use of the computer. Here's the situation. I drove the car for quite a while and got it running poorly again. And what was running badly, I removed the spark plug wires one wire at a time at idle, and I found that the number 2 cylinder was the one having issues. And I have had trouble with the spark plug wires in the past, so I bought new wires, all new spark plug wires, and I put them on, which are these here. And I still had it missing on number 2 at idle. You could still pull a spark plug wire out of this one and have it dead. So that points to it not being the wire at all. And it's probably a fuel injector. So I think I have a dead fuel injector on number 2 cylinder. And that's our situation that we have here. It looks like this car needs a fuel injector. Somewhere here, hopefully you will be able to select a video of me replacing the fuel injector.